Spiele ist es.
The Olympic Games are the end-all and be-all of athletics. That made it an incredible experience. On that day, it seemed as though I was in a movie. I can only remember the broad outlines of the runs themselves, but in the moments afterward, it was just great to be part of the experience. From the award ceremony to the press conference, it was already cinematic.
Angefangen von der Siegerehrung bis hin zur Pressekonferenz, es war schon filmreif. Das Faszinierende am
The
Kunststoff.
fascinating aspect of plastic and kayak construction is really the freedom that I can apply to the special features of boat building. It starts with a material whose characteristics promote a freedom of design that I can easily integrate into the construction of the boats.
Beim Bootsbau reinbringen kann. Ich habe also eine
I generally have 1 or 2 layers of carbon fiber fabric on the exterior skin. Then there's the sandwich foam, generally a polyurethane foam that absorbs very little water or really no water at all. In return, it's very impact resistant. Once again, there's carbon fiber on the interior skin, 2 layers of it. That gives me a rigid, dense structure that ends up 1/10 of an inch thick.
Die Struktur, die aber unterm Strich vielleicht so 3 mm ausmacht. So kriegt der
That's how the boat body gets its stiffness. Its handling characteristics remain constant. Due to the pressure ratios found in white water, a boat would otherwise deform, and that's distressing when you're paddling. If the boat is rigid, I can paddle with greater control and ultimately faster. We've progressed to the point that the sport has an entirely different dynamic. Coming from folding boats, where competitive kayaking has its origins, we now have a level of dynamism that would likely never have been possible without the use of plastics.
Was wahrscheinlich ohne den Werkstoff Kunststoff nie möglich gewesen wäre.
Freudenberg, innovating together.